Welcome to the Whiskey Creek Railway. You are always asking me for update on the work that I am doing. So today I've been working on the #1 derailing point of my track. And actually it's the switch. It took me a while to understand what was happening. So if we look at the moving portion, they are moving quite well and they are clearing enough space for the wheels to go one way or the other. I did grind a little bit over here to make sure that the rail can be completely recessed and allow for a good switching. I have installed an extension of the lever of the switch. And as you can see, the extension of the lever move the switch. So let me move a little bit and show you how it's working. I'm going to be here and I rotate the lever. The distance is such that when I am sitting on this rail car, I can maneuver the switch before the engine enters the switch area. So after a lot of analyzing, I had discovered that the former part was not long enough. That was the original part. Because it was too short, basically the lever would not go all the way, and basically my switch would stay in that in-between position, thus derailing the train. Now that it's longer, it allows the switch to move completely from one end to the other. So this is a prototype piece that I have made this afternoon. Now I'm going to go back to the workshop and finish completely with the full-time portion. So let's see. See, the train has cleared properly. Here we go. So now I'm going to go back to the workshop. Although, let me get on the train so that you can get a little bit of action from the train. Here we are going to go on the left side. And there is no more derailing. Okay, so now I'm going to switch on the other side, up, By the way, in front of me, this is where the diamond crossing will go. I'm still not yet finished, still working on the guardrails. Okay, so now let's go park the train in the shed area. Let's shut down. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have more questions, please ask them through the comment section.